Hey guys, I'm just popping in to do a little small video on Poplin. I've been getting questions about how the app works. So I'm going to pop in right quick, and then later on I'm going to put out another full video step by step from the time I pick it up to the time I drop it off. But in the meantime, I'm going to get down to the very beginning of how you get started being a Poplin Laundry Pro. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to want to sign up online. You go online, put in Poplin. At the time when I was first started, it was called, excuse me, it was called SutShare. Hold for a second. It was called SutShare. So what I did, I went on that website, signed up, and to sign up, you're going to put in your personal information, and you're also going to put in your banking account, the account that you want to get paid. And then after that, you're going to, you download the app. Once you download the app, you'll get access to many, many videos. In the beginning, when I first started as a laundry pro, I was sent multiple videos. Now it's very rare I get a video, and the videos is teaching you how to fold, different all types of videos that help you be successful on being a Poplin laundry pro. And then and most importantly, before I end this video, I want to let you guys know that you are responsible for your taxes at the end of the year, because this is a 1099 job. So you are responsible for your taxes. And there's many things you can use to reduce your taxes at the end of the year. You can claim the laundry detergent, your mileage, gas, so many things, your phone. So this is a short video I wanted to pop in and let you guys know the beginning process before you even get to being able to pick up the laundry, decide what schedule you want to do, and dropping it off. You guys be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.